Good afternoon. I'm gonna present my essay about the nature and concept of demographics and what population growth. Firstly, I will start with the word population growth, which is the difference between the two. Is that population growth is the increase in a country's population over a period of time, typical 1 year, expressed as a percentage of population of the beginning of that period. Excuse me. Population growth rate is the amount by which a population's size decreases in a given time, or increases, not decreases, increases. Whereas population growth is the rise in a country over a period, typically 1 year. It displays the total number of births, deaths, immigrations to and from a particular country over a specific time of a period. The next one is the nature and importance of demographics. So that one, I understand that it's saying the population and their characteristics such as gender, race, age, income, and educational level are the subject of demographics, which is the study of population, understanding socially, economic, and health related events requires knowledge of the demographic makeup and behavior of a population. So the overpopulation in South Africa came with many diseases like many other nations. Yes, as I said, South Africa observed major trends in population health. The three most common illnesses in the area are malaria, COVID-19, and tuberculosis. Now I'm coming on this concept of sustainable development, which is a multi-stakeholder approach compromising the government, civil society, business sectors, and community is necessary to successfully implement suitable development in South Africa. Suitable development in urban regions compromises creating compact, inclusive, suitable cities to achieve sustainable development goals and guarantee a bright and just future for all. Cooperation, unit in policy, and being long-term planning are essential. So this is what I understand about the all of the topic. But once more, I'm gonna say that this overpopulation causes more crimes, more deaths, more births, many of things in South Africa. Like these days, there are many drug wars and they're causing death in our communities because of their fighting over their territories, and their fight affect us. So this overpopulation is affecting the country as a whole. So this must be, you can't go and kill people, you can't go and do something. So, and the country is overpopulated now, and the companies are overpopulated too, and they need new skills, but they retrench the old one who were working for them. The overpopulation brings lack of employment in South Africa, and some people become bank robbers and damage our bank, our ATMs, which is bringing us down for our economy as South Africa as a whole. So this overpopulated thing is causing the country as a whole and other countries as a whole. So you can't go and kill people. That's unfair. But what I'm